Alright, now we're recording. Welcome back. Surprise, I'm blonde. Let's get started. Oop, nope. Nope. Sorry about that.
What do we do?
Your father trusts me. And I need you to trust me too. And do exactly as I say. I'm gonna get you home safe.
Okay. Okay, Leon.
Nope. Okay, there's people here.
Alright. Let's get the hell out of here.
Okay. Seriously? Just bought this.
Get the ladder.
Me? Okay.
Alright.
What do we do? There's no way out.
Figure something out.
No way.
It's okay, I've got you.
You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Fucking in.
Hey, trust me.
We're doing some more Resident Evil. I'm blonde now. Oh, I'd love to be caught like that by Leon.
Thanks.
Yeah, that's Sit down.
Roost, I've secured Baby Eagle.
Copy that. Is she okay?
Affirmative.
Well done, Condor 1. I'll dispatch a chopper ASAP. I'm sending you the coordinates for the extraction point. Make your way there, and don't let anything happen to Baby Eagle.
Copy that.
Hurry. The weather is getting worse. Roost out.
Alright, okay. This. The extraction point. I just keep following this way.
Like I said, it's dangerous. Stay close.
Let's get going. Ashley commands tight/loose. Switch between tight and loose with control. Ashley will stick close to the wheel. Ashley commands tight/loose. And loose. Control. Ashley will hang back behind Leon. Loose formation. Good.
Definitely gonna catch a cold.
Spread out.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Spread out.
Hey.
Come on! Stay back. They're coming! Get behind me!
Oh God! What is wrong with these people?
I don't think they're people anymore. Oh. Ow. Oh, I got him. There we go. Oh, there's so many of them. experience. Fuck you.
Move! They keep coming. Hold us!
Okay, there we go.
Stick close!
Okay.
Alright, what way am I going? Just going straight. Let's check that gem out as well. Let's wait here.
Ahí va eso! Ashley!
Ashley will become temporarily incapacitated if she's attacked. Ashley's okay.
Lee! You hurt?
No, I'm okay.
Ashley!
Ooh. Alright, let's get rid of that guy now. I'm so sorry, Ashley. No.
They're coming! Get behind me!
Oh God! What is wrong with these people?
Spread out!
Okay.
Ahí va eso!
Ow!
One down.
Thanks.
Anytime. Ahí va eso!
Kill him! Really can...
Ashley!
Oh my goodness.
Watch out!
Reload. No.
Break already.
Sorry, Ashley.
Come on.
Got it.
Twisty son of a bitch.
Reload.
You okay?
Yeah,
See that?
I'm fine.
There we go.
Spread out.
Okay.
that guy before he has a chance to get Ashley again. This collision. Okay, I thought that was like tendrils.
Come on.
Got it.
Oh, good, the
I
shopkeep
have
is
some
here.
new goods that might interest you. Welcome. I've got
Tuna.
something new for you, mate. A well-tuned
interesting.
weapon can make up for a lack of skill, friend. Will that be all, then?
This.
I'll buy
Yes.
almost anything.
Oh, 26,000. I don't even need that anymore. Oof,
Well
that does-
done, stranger. Well then, what can I do you for?
Let's do some tune-ups.
We're starting to get an idea of your tastes, friend. See how that feels, mate. A fella like yourself should notice the difference right
Power.
away. There you are, as you wished.
Discounted items.
All my wares are in
1,000,
tip-top shape,
okay.
I assure you. Came into some other bits and bobs too, mate. Ruby's all rubbish, thank you. A decent size, but size ain't everything, am I right?
First aid.
Stocking up
spray.
while you can. Not enough cash. Come back. Anytime.
Storage. They're definitely big. Nope. There we go. Okay. Oops. There we go. Let's see. Game. Yes. I need somebody to get rid of the wild dogs. Okay.
Hey, can we take a break?
Sorry, we need to keep moving.
Sorry, Ashley. Oh, you can pick these chairs. Oh, that's awesome. Okay.
Hunnigan was right about the weather. Give me some space.
Yes. I need this guy. Not be too loud.
Stick close.
Hang on.
Craft. Handgun ammo. There we go. We're doing pretty good. Get rid of this girl. Okay, I'm just going to start.
Back up!
Okay.
There you are. 1, 2. Never mind, man.
Move!
I'm moving so much. There we go. You. Just a little bit. Can we make anything? No, we don't have that. Let's check the map. We have to go this way. I think there might be guys up here. We need to go up there. No, never mind. I'm on fire. Blow his brains out.
With me!
Okay.
Oh, okay. Alright, keep going this way. Oh, we're almost at the point. I don't know if it's gonna change though.
Seriously, this can't be happening.
I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh my goodness. There's so many things here. Let's save the game. Save, yes. Oh, I forgot I had blonde. Let me put my glasses on. That'll help out a little bit. Just go there. I have two pairs, but I don't know what I was using today, but I'll use the pair I usually use. Ugh. Oh, that's a bit better. Did I just... Yeah, I did. Let's just do it one more time. There we go.
Okay, it's all right.
Hang on.
Let's go.
You know, stay close to me.
Okay.
Oh! That's gonna mean... Oh, bullshit. One of you guys. I'm so sorry, Ashley. I hate these guys so much.
Keep coming.
Oh, there's more! Damn it. Ah. Take control.
Spread out.
Okay.
No, there we go.
Stick close.
Got it.
Come back here. do like this. What's this? Well, the merchant. Can I just take that? Oh, I can't.
Welcome. I got something new for you. Why not try your hand at a new gun, stranger? Might save your life. Better to be over-prepared. Might want to take care of any leftover errands.
Save, yes. Now we
Before going this way, be ashamed to live the rest of your life wondering, what if?
Okay.
Am I right?
Yeah, it's telling me that. I think, at least I assume it's telling me that once I go past here, I won't be able to do things again. Alright. Now let's get going. I don't really care about this too much. I mean, they're fun, but there's not much to get from that. I mean, I get money, but I'm not playing this right. I'm just playing for the story.
Over here!
Sorry. I love him. I'm so happy to see my Italian man.
Hey, listen, about earlier.
Yeah, about that.
Hey, I see you found your missing señorita.
Senorita has a name and it's Ashley. You are?
I love
Name's
Ashley.
Luis. Encantado.
Great. We all have names. Who are you? And what are you doing here?
Very good questions, unfortunately.
Ah!
Hide, now.
In that case, here, help me.
Ashley, quick! Over here.
Go. Okay, it's game time.
I want to go just break through the window.
Hordes of them against two of us.
Oh,
Oh, and let's not forget.
I understand.
It's made up of monsters. You done warming up? Hope you stretched.
Yeah. Now if you shut up, we'd be good to go.
Now,
Crafting some bolts. There we go.
you got this.
Sure thing.
Fucking die! There we go. Okay, I think that's just like. Let's see, can I fix this knife? No? Okay. Yes. Oh! Yep. Yep. Oh, good.
You got this! It's all you!
He's got that down one arm. Oh, shh. Okay, let's cover this door. This room. Oh, I'm running out of bullets. Kind of. Okay. Cover that up. There we go. Hit. Hey, there's one more down here. Oh. Ooh. Oh shit, how you do this? Okay. Oh.
A little busy at the moment.
Oh. Five. Again. How many more times? It gives up. There we go.
Leon! This way, hurry!
I was just hiding. I didn't know that was a path that way. No, it's so stressful. Drawbridge? Yes. Oh.
Ashley,
What's happening to me?
Ashley, is this the first time you've coughed up blood like this?
you want to start explaining?
The cough, the blood, is caused by something called plaga.
Plaga?
Okay. You saw those people, right? But you have the same thing inside you. The same thing that made them like that. This, what you're experiencing, these symptoms. They're only the beginning.
Ashley.
I don't want to become like them.
You are, well, lucky. You see, at this early stage, the parasite, the plaga, it is possible to remove it with a surgical procedure. And all you need is some know-how. And oh yeah, the right equipment.
Wait, you two?
No worries. See, I have a plan.
Oh, I love
You're
him.
going to have to trust me.
I do.
Great, we're partners then.
Hey, why are you...
No time for any questions. The clock is ticking.
Why are you helping us?
Because it makes me feel better. Let's leave it at that.
Love him.
We'll contact you later.
Whoa. Continue going to the extraction point. Chapter end. Oh, that's... One death. Shift. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I would like it. Yes. We'll watch this little thing and then I'm done. Got stuff to do today. Actually, only 30 minutes. You know what? We'll play a little bit longer. I'll be on for like 30 minutes. Would you like to play with him?
Hey, got a smoke?
I do. The kind you like. Now where's the amber?
Fortunately, it's not on me at the moment.
Well,
And you really
I
should be
love
telling me
her.
what a good job I did. Busted my ass and managed to hide it right before I got caught. Which is why I'm still alive.
The deal was, we get you out of here when you deliver the amber. No amber, no protection, Luis.
Such a stickler for details, Hyde. Okay, then. I'll go get it now. How about that? And I do have something else I need to get, too.
This is Roost. I've got some bad news, Condor One. With the weather
Yep.
like this, the chopper can't make its approach. Can you stand by until it clears?
Negative. Too dangerous. We're gonna get out of here and find someplace safe.
I'm sorry. I wish I could do more to help.
Don't worry about it. We'll swim home if we have to. Condor 1, out. Let's go.
I want to swim. I don't know if I should take that.
gonna happen to me?
Right now. Let's just focus on getting out of here.
Escape from the village.
Yeah.
I don't know what way I'm going, but I'm just gonna follow this path.
Right.
Ooh, merchant guy. Let's just crack these open first. Wow.
Definitely gonna catch a cold.
Well, that's your least of your worries, but okay.
I have some new goods that might.
You've ever seen those nasty guys with the tentacles sprouting out of their heads? Not only are they dangerous, but they're pain to kill too. They do have a weakness though. They absolutely hate bright lights like the sun. That's why you see them, so you won't see them during the day. So if you ever want... Oh, flash grenades. Okay.
Interest you. Welcome. I've got something new for you, mate. I'll buy
sorry, I thought I said
almost
something else.
anything.
Kitchen knives.
Well. I can certainly do something with this.
I maybe I have to
Still
take it
have,
out.
don't get yourself killed now. Welcome.
Tuna.
If you want a fighting
There we
chance out there, you best that's good work, if I do say so myself. Will that be all pleasant travels?
Actually, I would use that.
Welcome. I've got something new for you, mate. Your valuables won't do you much good in the grave. Pleasure doing business with you. A well-tuned weapon can make up for a lack of skill, friend. Well then, what can I do you for? We like our herbs. You've got a soft spot for treasure, eh? Yeah, that's the way. Save up. Then...
Oh, now I understand.
You can't go wrong with that. Anything else, don't get yourself killed.
Let's try some handgun stuff.
Killed now.
Haha. Save game. Close that. Alright, let's get going, Ashley. Actually, We'll be back in a minute. Let me just. Alrighty, let's get back to it.
Oh.
Oh, what's wrong? Alright, that's going. Oh, good.
We've got company. Keep moving. Quietly. Got it?
Okay. I'll try.
Good. That's all we need.
Guess we're doing this. Back up!
Okay.
One down.
Damn it, you again? Yeah. Ow. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Spread out!
Got it.
Here. Where she's throwing that stuff from. There you are. Another one? Where are you? There you are. I hate these bear traps so much. Craft handgun ammo. Oh,
On me.
Hey.
alright, let's get going. I'll have to wrap up soon. I have to go do something, so we'll go for a little bit longer, but then I gotta go. Oh, just go down the stairs, Leon. Oh! Sorry, I thought you were dead.
Damn. I knew it.
Put stuff in it. Let's do this. That's pretty cute. Some velvet blue or whatever. over. Scare someone or whatever.
Sure is quiet.
Let's keep looking. What's this?
It looks like I need something.
Always needing something.
Podéis correr, pero no os podéis esconder. ¡Forasteros!
Yeah. Now. There we go. Let's do it. Alright, got some yellow herb. That. There we go. Make it right there. There's not that many save points in this game. It's good to know. There we go. Elegant headdress. Yeah, I think I'll just go back. Let's see. There we go. Oh!
Great.
Oh, this was a different
Sorry,
game.
didn't realize that was yours. I am flattered. What am a one lady type of guy? Wait here.
No problem.
You brought Bob. Four. Okay. Oh. There's more of you? Hit her. Okay. There we go. Run.
Shit.
I reloaded it. Okay, let's try 3. Ow!
You're serious.
Okay. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, a lot of that armor. Checkpoint Friday. Awesome. Ugh. Oh, so stressful. Oops. No, I can't go upstairs. Okay.
On me.
Okay.
That's ready to go. Let's go this way. Doing so good, Ashley. Let's see what that is. Okay, whatever. Oh, this must be it.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm okay. I guess.
You did well back there. Seems this isn't your first time running from creeps.
I can't tell if that's meant to be a compliment.
There we go. Yeah, so just keep going. Let's see. Let's grab this first, and then we'll go up there. Let's go up here. Handgun ammo, flash grenade. There we go. Load that as well. Oh, let's heal up a bit.
All right. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, I'm not dealing with that, man. Oh!
Leon!
Soul requires cleansing.
Is this my, like, getting chased? What the fuck?
Come, child.
Ashley, run! Hurry!
Okay.
¡Avisad a los demás!
One down.
¡Oído eso!
Ow!
Don't worry about them. Give me a break.
Go, go, go. Okay, never mind. Going this way then.
You okay? We need to go.
Oh
You gotta be kidding
no.
me.
I'm good.
Okay.
Close one.
Confused. Ugh. It's so weird. Blood.
Listen, you're the one he wants. If we see him again, you run.
Alright,
What
well,
about you?
I'll do
there's a
the
safe
job.
spot here.
Take a
Do a
look.
little shopping.
Something's welcome. Got a selection of good things on sale, stranger. Why not try your hand at...
Let's see, I don't use all these weapons. Let's see, can you give me more storage space? I'll just say some good stuff.
Welcome.
This.
I'll buy
Yes.
almost anything.
Actually, wait, not that.
Thank pleasant trip.
Alright, so that's done.
Travels.
Oops, sorry.
Welcome.
What I need to do is that.
Ooh, what you buying?
Sell this
Thank you.
and this.
A deal well struck.
Okay, now I don't have more space for that.
Come back anytime.
I will say what I've gotten. So, bye. See you next time.